What's up, everyone? It's Jameson from NYC Tech Club, and welcome on how to make a WordPress website. I'm really excited to show you how to use WordPress, and let's just jump right into it. So the first thing that we're going to do is give you a tour of exactly what we're going to make today. So this is the home page that we're going to be making today, and right at the top you can see that we're going to have a full width slider with different headlines and subheadlines and a call to action button that can link to different pages or to the section below this. So if I click on this, you can see that it's going to come down to the products and services section. So this is where we're going to talk about our business a little bit. So I'll show you how to add these icons and these little descriptions about your products and services. And once we create this section, what we're going to do is add a call to action that we will link to different pages on our WordPress website. And once we create this section, we're going to create a blog post section so you can keep your visitors updated on the latest happenings with your business. And then below this, we'll have another call to action that will link to another page, and then we'll add our social media buttons at the bottom, and I'll show you how to customize your footer. And then if we come back up to the top, we're also going to learn how to make a logo for our WordPress website, and I'll show you how to add a header menu at the top. And if you want to translate your WordPress website, I'll show you how to do that too, and then you can add these icons to switch between your different languages. Okay, so now let me show you the About page. And right here you can see this is the custom About page that we're going to make, and I do want to note that I'm going to show you how to use a page builder to create any type of WordPress page that you want. So you can follow the same layout that we create, or you can customize yours however you want as you watch this video. So for the About page, we're going to add a custom page title at the top. I'll show you how to insert images into your WordPress pages, and then we'll show you how to format your text and link the text to different pages if you want. And I'll also show you how to embed a video just like this, and you can actually push play to watch this video if you wanted to. And then below this, we're going to have a facts section, so we'll have some statistics about your business or your website, and then we'll add another call to action down here, and then we'll add our social media buttons down here. And you can see on all of our pages, we have this back to top button. So we can always click on that to come back to the top of the page. All right, so now this is the employee page that we're going to create. And right at the top, you're going to see that we're going to put in a custom page title. And then I'll show you how to add as many different employees that you want to this page. And if you hover over these, you'll see some additional details, and you'll have buttons to their social media profiles right here. So again, I'll show you how to add as many different employees that you want. And then right at the bottom, we'll add a call to action and our social media buttons down here. Okay, so the next page that we're going to make after the employees page is our portfolio page. So for our portfolio page, what we're going to do is put in a custom page title at the top, and then we'll add our image gallery down here. And if you click on any of these images, you'll get this pop up, and you can go through your image gallery by clicking on the arrows like this. And then right below this, again, we're going to add another call to action at the bottom, our social media buttons down here, and anything else that you want for your portfolio page. And then what we're going to do is create the testimonial page. So for this page, we're going to have a custom title at the top, and I'll show you how to insert some videos right here. And below this, we'll have a testimonial section, and you can add as many testimonials as you want. And then we'll have a client section where you can insert the logos of clients that you work with. And then we'll have our call to action and our social media buttons at the bottom. So once we create the testimonial page, what we're going to do is write some blog posts and create the blog page. And for the blog post page, what we're going to do is put all of our blog posts in a list. So you can see we're going to have the page titles, the featured images, and then a small little excerpt at the bottom. And if your visitors want to read any of these articles, they can click on the page title or the featured image, and then it'll go to that blog post. And on the right-hand side, you can see that we're going to customize our sidebar. So I'll show you how to add a Facebook like box, your Twitter feed, and then anything else that you want to add on the sidebar down here. Okay, so this is the blog post page that we're going to make in this website tutorial. And the last page that we're going to make is the Contact Us page. And right at the top, you can see we're going to have a custom page title, and I'll show you how to add your contact information right here. And if you have a physical location, we can insert this map, and we'll also have a contact form right here so that your visitors can write you a message and send it right to your inbox. And on each of our WordPress pages, we're going to have our social media buttons down here that you can customize to be whatever color that you want. And we'll also have our copyright in the footer that I'll show you how to customize. So for your WordPress website, you can customize the site colors to be whatever you want. And if you want to translate your WordPress website, again, we're going to have a section on that. So let me just show you the translated homepage really quickly. And you can see right here, this is the homepage just translated into another language. So I'll show you how to translate your WordPress website if you want to in this video tutorial, or you can always skip this section. And you can always customize the layout of your WordPress website to look however you want. I'll show you how in this video tutorial. And just remember that you can also customize the colors of your WordPress website to be whatever you want. And just remember that this website is responsive. So it works on any laptop, PC, iPad, iPhone, or any other mobile device. So if you want to learn how to make a beautiful and professional WordPress website step by step, and you want to save thousands of dollars building it out yourself, then keep watching this video because I'm going to show you how to make this exact WordPress website step by step. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get started.